The halls of the State House echoed with chanting and singing this morning as dozens of child care workers took a stand.
They walked off the job in protest over proposed budget cuts that could impact their livelihoods and the families they serve. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell was in Augusta today speaking with those who are on strike about their concerns.
This event is extremely important to me. This is crucial. This is our livelihood.
Charlotte Jacobs, director of Seedlings to Sunflowers Child Care and Family Center in Gorham, wasn't in her classroom Tuesday morning. Instead, she joined a growing crowd of child care workers at the State House, protesting proposed budget cuts they say would drive educators out of the profession.
These budget cuts that they're proposing would cost me almost my entire staff.
Well, look at the cat.
It's because the cuts target a state stipend program that provides early childhood workers with monthly payments between $240 and $540. But under Governor Janet Mills' biennial budget proposal, funding for the program would be cut in half. Some lawmakers are arguing the program is providing a much-needed boost for a field struggling with low wages and worker shortages.
We've seen not hard numbers, but about a 10% increase of people coming back to the field or starting new in the field because of the stipend program.
So excited to see so many early childhood educators.
Republican State Representative Amanda Collmore calls the proposal disappointing. So much so, she says it could impact whether she supports the budget at all.
This is definitely something that I'm very passionate about. I've worked hard on these programs.
In January, Governor Mills' press secretary Ben Goodman defended the plan, saying in a statement, "Unfortunately, in a tough budget cycle, tough decisions have to be made, and we believe it is important to return the program to a sustainable level of spending, as we initially had, so that we can continue it far into the future."
You make me happy when skies are gray.
But for child care workers, those cuts feel anything but sustainable. They fear losing funding now could have ripple effects for years.
Families and children are out of care, and then child development is just kind of going in a downward trend.
As the budget debate continues, child care providers say they aren't giving up, promising to keep fighting for the resources they say their industry and Maine's children depend on. In Augusta, Alex Haskell, News Center, Maine.
And the Maine Department of Health and Human Services is providing some clarity on the impact this proposal could have on the more than 7,000 people who benefit from it. So according to the department, $30 million would be saved over 2 years if these cuts are approved. However, the maximum monthly stipend would drop from $540 to $270.